Look how sparkly. These are really cute. And look at these lanterns, LED lanterns. Wow, that's cute.
We shopping for somebody else.
So they have 3 new sets that I've never seen. I think I'm gonna get 1 each.
But I've had this before and it's really good, but I feel like it needed a little bit more flavor, so then I add my little sauce to it. And
super cute ornaments. Look at that. Buffalo check. The plaid. And they got cute little bowls. A lot of those. But not my color scheme. Guys, let me know below if you do the traditional green, red, and gold colors for Christmas. Sometimes I miss that. And I think when I get a bigger place, I'm going to actually probably have a couple trees, and one will be like traditional colors, and then I'll keep my winter white one. I probably need to get some flowers because I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this table centerpiece yet. Got silver. Oh, look at this teal blue color. That's pretty. That's pretty. So these little snowflakes right here. This would match my decor. And I don't think I have these. I think I'm going to get 2 of these. Alright, let me see what I can come up with, and I'll be right back. Got little sprigs there. This is why I love this Dollar Tree. They are fully stocked. We got stockings. These would be really cute to put in a little snow globe, but they're the wrong color. They're pink and red. It's super cute. Wish they had white or blue or silver. And there's 3 of them in there. A cobblestone. I'm thinking about getting these candle holders and spray painting them white. I think I'm gonna get it and spray paint them white. And guys, I just saw something new. So I normally get this hand soap and a vanilla scent, but they have Christmas scents. Crispy apple, toasted coconut, and spiced pumpkin. These are really good, guys. I normally keep these in my bathroom and they last a long time. So they have 3 new scents that I've never seen. I think I'm gonna get 1 each. And this is the spiced pumpkin. Guys, these are really good. If you see these, grab them. Well, I normally get the vanilla. Vanilla's really good. So I guess these are the holiday scents. Alright, my cart is getting full. I'm going to take one more once around and then I'm going to head out of here. I'm about to pick up stuff I did not come in here for, but I do like these little body scrubbers. These are really good. And I'm going to pick up a purple one. Washing machine cleaner. We get 3 pouches in there. So I'm going to grab that. I normally get my bleach from here, but I'm good on bleach right now. Alright, so this is what I need. The shower liners. Curtain liners. I like to keep these in stock in my house because they come in handy and I'm out. So I'm gonna grab those.
I'm shopping for rocks for my sister and just getting crazy.
Well, happy holidays.
Thank you. Did you have a
Thank
nice
you.
Thanksgiving?
I did.
What is your vlog? Is it on YouTube or?
It is on YouTube. So I do cooking on YouTube.
Good
and
for
so
you.
that's how I started, but I just started recently last month doing vlogging.
You did?
So yeah, I'm gonna incorporate the vlogging piece into my YouTube channel.
Yeah, because I don't watch television, but I
Me
do watch
either.
YouTube videos. I haven't had TV since 2009. I haven't watched television. I haven't missed a damn thing.
Oh, right.
Shut up and be told.
Listen, that's the best way to be
Donates
sometimes.
everything. You know
Aw.
what she's done? She donates everything.
Oh, God bless her soul, though.
Well, I guess if you have the money for these shenanigans, I'm going to need a forklift to get out to the car.
You guys, I'm excited to see these. I used to make candles in these. I haven't seen these in a very long time. I used to make sports themed candles. Should get a couple because I am going to make some more candles. These are nice and sturdy. They feel a little lighter than they used to though. But still nice for $1.25. Yeah, I used to buy those in bulk. Alright, so let me finish hunting so I can get up out of here. Those are so cute. So tiny and cute. But yeah, guys, so I'm still looking for what I'm supposed to be in here searching for. People are so nice. You know, vlogging is totally different from me. Vlogging is totally different for me, but people are so nice. They stop and they're just like curious as to what you're doing. So let me keep hunting. And look at these lanterns, LED lanterns. Wow, that's cute.
Are you shopping for somebody else?
I think I want those. Look at those little gnomes. That's cute. I think I had some of these already though. These are cute. LED bulbs. They light up. So pretty. Look how sparkly. These are really cute. Alright guys, I'm coming back to the garden. I think I need this voice. Okay guys. So this is the bowls that I'm looking for, but I need it in clear. So I can't find the bowls that I was looking for. But this is a 2-pack. This might work. It's not that big, so I might try this. I could probably do these too. These are a little bigger. So I found the faux snow. It's over here in this little section. Alright, so I'm like in the party section. I need some bowls to put on the snow globe I'm trying to make. These are really cute. And you get 2. That's really cute. Look at that pretty teal color. That's cute too. It's really cute too. That's a blue one back here. It's a blue one. That might be cute to put on top. But I haven't found the actual bowls that I'm looking for, so I'm gonna keep looking. But I think I'm gonna take this guy. That's cute. Alright, y'all. So I might have to go to another Dollar Tree. I'm not finding. The only thing that I found for the snow globes was the little trees. So I might have to go to another Dollar Tree. Oh. Alright, y'all. So I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to make some teriyaki chicken. that I had marinated in marinating in the refrigerator, and then I am going to make this Trader Joe's roasted corn. This is really good. Normally I eat this alone or by itself as a side, but I actually have some veggies that I got from Costco that I just needed to finish off. So we're gonna add that in the pan, and we're gonna add this in there as well. So that's gonna be our veggies. And if you guys hear like a humming sound in the background, my ice maker is going, so I apologize for that. So yeah, that, and this is the chicken that I had marinating in the refrigerator, teriyaki chicken. And I will put a clip in of the sauce that I used. Because I threw the bottle away, but I did take a clip of it, so I took a picture of it, so I'll throw that in so you guys can see what I used. And also, this chicken was brought from Winco, so it was already a teriyaki marinade on it. But I've had this before, and it's really good, but I feel like it needed a little bit more flavor, so then I add my little sauce to it. And then I will show you the seasonings that I use for the veggies. And for the veggies also, we're going to use a little bit of butter and a little bit of olive oil in that. So, oh, and the sticky rice. So this is the sticky rice that I get from Costco. This is the sticky rice from Costco right here. Let's see, it's focusing. So this is the white rice. This is sticky rice. And that's the brand. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think it's Bibigo. I don't know how to pronounce it. But this comes in a big box from Costco, and it's really, really good. Alright guys, so I think you can see me here. Let's start cooking. So fun fact about me. When I am cooking my YouTube videos, I need to buy some more olive oil. I use my olive oil on my hands as a moisturizer. So cast iron gets really hot really quick. And guys, this cast iron skillet is in my Amazon store front if you are interested. I like this one because it has the little handle. This little silicone piece can come off. And this is the large brand. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in the pan, just a little bit. And again, remember that this is going to get really hot. I can already feel the heat coming up off of that. So now I'm going to bring that down to a 5. Alright guys, so I'm done eating. I'm gonna get ready to relax and just chill out, hang out for the rest of the night. And let me know in the comment section if you guys are cooking for Thanksgiving. And if you are, let me know what you're cooking. Alright guys, bye!